Hello and welcome to Neptune Research's Under Pressure Repair Kit training. Today we're going to introduce Neptune Research's Under Pressure Repair Kit designed for compressed gas and liquid repairs. In front of me I have some needed materials in order to do the training. We have our leak detection soap, we have our personal safety equipment, hard hat, tie-back suit, as well as safety glasses. We have the repair kit necessary to complete the repair. We have surface preparation tool of a wire brush, and we have our compression film and our perforating tool. Today we'll be doing a live leak repair on a 1/8" pinhole on a 1" OD pipe. We'll need access to regulated compressed gas at a rating of 60 psi. So we have a gauge here to determine if the gas has been regulated to the recommended rate of 60 psi. I will connect the compressed gas once we finish the surface preparation and go into the repair. I'm going to introduce the materials. We have our Cento glass under pressure repair kit. On the back we have our detailed work instructions, as well as our identification of what kit is necessary for which diameter pipe. Today we're going to be utilizing our 1" diameter kit, which is our UP 520. If we were going to do a 2", we'd be identifying our UP 930. If it was 4", it'd be the 415. And if it was the 6", we'd be utilizing the 430. Within the package, you'll find your surface preparation emery cloth, sandpaper utilized to prepare the surface of the repair area. You'll find your personal protection gloves, your solvent wipe necessary for surface preparation, your 2-part epoxy putty, your pressure sealing tape, and your composite outer wrap. We're ready now to put our protective gloves on. And I've staged the materials in front of me in order to do the repair. So I have all the needed items in order to complete the repair. First step is surface preparation. We have a pinhole which we've identified here. We're going to utilize the emery cloth in a 360-degree fashion over the complete repair site. This will provide a 1 to 4 mil anchor profile that will allow the materials to bond. Once the sanding has been completed, we'll want to utilize our solvent wipe to remove any of the oils and contamination that are on the pipe. This should be done on new pipe as well as old pipe in the field. It's going to remove any contaminants that would prevent the adhesion of our materials to the surface of the repair site. We're going to apply the solvent wipe 360 degrees around the repair site, providing a clean solvent wipe surface for the materials to bond to. Save this for utilization later in the repair procedure. This time, we're ready to stage our materials to do the actual sealing application. So we'll need our 2-part putty, and we'll also need our pressure sealing tape. Need to remove the packaging on the putty as an outer as well as in packagings. Once we remove the packaging, we'll stage the putty and remove the packaging on the pressure sealing tape. The outside adhesive packaging, the inside packaging. We'll stage the materials so that once we've kneaded the putty, we can apply them as quickly as possible to the repair site. Now we've identified that we have a 1/8" pinhole. The amount of putty necessary will be about the size of a dime. Pinch off the amount necessary to do the repair. We're going to knead it until it's uniform in color. going for a solid gray color. Once we've properly mixed the materials, we've achieved the properties necessary for the repair. The putty will cure within 5 to 7 minutes. It needs to be applied within the first 3 minutes of proper mixture. This will maximize the adhesion of the putty to the repair area. We'll place the putty just above the hole. Place the pressure sealing tape just outside of the repair area. Start of the pressure sealing tape has an adhesive bond. We're going to place that over the repair site. Hold to max tension and go directly over the repair. Work quickly. Focus the materials directly over the repair hole at max tension. Don't work right to left. Focus 100% the pressure sealing tape over the repair site. This is going to compress the putty into the hole, providing a permanent repair once that putty cures within 5 to 7 minutes. Now the repair will need to be encapsulated with our composite wrap to provide the structural integrity needed in order to withstand changes in temperature as well as pressure increases. So this system is a 3-part system: putty, pressure sealing tape, and composite wrap. 100% of the materials must be utilized with the pressure sealing tape. Max tension. At the end of the roll, you'll find adhesive that will lock repair in place, removing any of the excess putty. Once we have applied the 100% of the pressure sealing tape, stop. We want to utilize our leak detection procedure to verify that the leak has been stopped. Today we're going to utilize our leak detection soap. Verify the leak has been sealed. For further verification for your training purposes, you can turn the pressure off and verify no drop in the bars of pressure. We're holding 60 pounds of pressure, verifying that we do not have a leak. We don't have a visual leak with any of the soap. So at this stage we have sealed the leak and we're prepared to provide the permanent repair of the composite wrap. I'm going to utilize my solvent wipe again to prepare the surface for the composite wrap, removing all the leak detection soap, providing a clean bonding surface for our outer composite wrap. Save this. We're now prepared for the composite wrap. In order to apply the composite wrap, we'll need water. We have access to water. Before opening the pouch, ensure that you have water, because once you have opened the pouch, you have activated the materials. Fill the pouch with water. Inside the pouch, we have our composite wrap. There's our Cento glass outer composite sleeve. Let's fill the pouch with water, activating the resin. We're going to allow it to sit for 15 seconds submerged in the water. I recommend using cool water, which will elongate the cure. The warmer the water, the faster the cure. composite wrap from the water. We're going to apply over the repair side. We're going to apply the composite wrap in the same direction that we apply the pressure sealing tape. I like to start the composite wrap on the top, so I secure it in place. We're going to focus the materials over the repair side. I want to utilize a 50% overlap, pulling tight, securing the materials. Over the repair. Pull tight. Locking the materials in place. Focusing on the 50% overlap. Once we applied the composite sleeve, we're going to utilize the compression film to lock the repair in place. Compression film needs to be applied in the same direction as the pressure sealing tape and the composite wrap. Apply it just outside the repair. Apply tension, 2 layers over the repair site. Utilize our perforating tool to perforate the surface. This will allow the CO2 gas to escape by locking the resin into the composite during the curing process. Full cure will take 30 minutes. Within 15 minutes, the composite sleeve will become hard. After 30 minutes, the compression film will need to be removed and the application will need to be painted or coated with a pre-approved pipe coating. This will protect the composite wrap from UV as well as atmospheric conditions.